Yeah, good morning, guys. Yeah,
Good morning, sir.
am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay. So yesterday we gone through some of the sample Informatica mappings. Okay, so actually this class has to be taken previously. Just to show a glimpse, I want to give some sample. That is why I showed that yesterday. So business intelligence, this is a very important concept. So we will go through that business intelligence. Basically, the name itself is saying that business intelligence. Intelligence means we should apply some intelligence. So basically, I think when we introduced the class itself, I told some few things that when you run even if you even in the home also you want to see the what is the expenses and all. Every month you will see the expenses. Accordingly, you will improve every month. I want to reduce the expense, unwanted expenses. I want to have my savings more. So accordingly, we will do the certain actions we will take in the home itself. We will say that don't do this kind of expenses, unwanted expenses. We will stop some of the things, and whatever is important and if it is healthier, we will also add some more important expenses. So accordingly, we will end of the month we will see what is I saved this month. What is my savings? What is the savings in the last month? What is my savings in the last year? What was my uh, income? What was my profit within that? How much I so like this we will do a lot of analyzation within this home itself, right? So when we do this kind of things, sometimes you cannot track everything. Sometimes you may get confusion, you may get forgot some few things and all. So in the same way, a person who is running a business, so simply he will start a business in a small sector. In the the time while it will keep on grow actually. After many cities, he will do the business, and after that, it may started to international level also. Then later, the same business will grow up to different countries also. Okay, so you must have the track what is happening because the data is going beyond a limit. Lot of customers, lot of product sales, lot of things is happening. He should have a track on that. He cannot simply just like we are doing in the home. He cannot do it. It's not a small calculation. There is a very big calculation. For this, he need a lot of team actually to see the data, what is happening. So he should first of all he want to take all the data and he will keep in one place. That is called data warehouse. Am I audible, Naresh?
Yes, sir.
So the business owner, the business person, he should see the tracking of his business actually. What is the income? What is happening? Where he is actually standing now? He should see the competitions and all. So he will have a lot of similar kind of sector of the business. Same kind of business will be there. For example, we have Zomato, we have Swiggy. Both are same kind of business.
Yes, sir.
Both are giving similar kind of service. Both are
Yes, sir.
providing this food deliveries only. But they will have a tracking whether Zomato, whether he's doing good or whether I am doing good. Somewhere, if he is doing somewhere else, actually, if Zomato is doing some good strategy,
Yes,
and
sir.
that will impact the Swiggy. Okay, so both has to be very careful now.
Yes, sir.
So they must have to very carefully. They should have to track each actually. Similarly, we have many other competitors now to give
Yes.
many other deliveries and all. Not only food, they will give Dunzo. Okay. So Zepto, so many companies are coming to deliver, right?
Yes, sir.
So they will give the food delivery and also any other delivery also, right?
Yes, sir.
Suddenly the demand may change suddenly for any company, correct?
Yes, sir. Additional.
So yeah, so suddenly some of the Swiggy may become down. You will not have any demand tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have seen even bounce also is not there now, right?
Sir, it is reduced too.
The bounce, when he started, it was very booming, correct? So it was a very good business. Everyone has thought, okay, they are doing great job. But
Yes,
when they started itself, I got a doubt actually.
uh,
He will give even to maintain a single bike. We are in affair, right? We
yes,
are
sir.
we are in a fear. Somebody will take it. Somebody will it will go somewhere. Okay.
Sir.
So he taken thousands of bikes and he left anywhere in the Bangalore city or anywhere city, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the security of that?
Yes, sir.
Somebody may take that.
Yes, sir.
Somebody may do the dismantle, correct?
Yes, sir.
After dismantle, he can sell it separately, no?
Yes, sir.
That is possible, no?
Yes, sir.
So that is when I started itself, I got this kind of my things and all in my mind actually. Okay.
Yes,
How
sir.
come they can able to run? We can't even maintain even single vehicle properly.
Yes, sir.
So even you can take anywhere, you can leave anywhere.
Yes, sir.
The people are not living in the parking, right?
Yes, sir.
So anything will happen, right?
Yes, sir.
Suddenly some bike, some vehicle may come and hit, or somebody will, whether he is parking properly or not, we don't know. He will live anywhere. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Some of the newses I read actually, they taken this vehicle to some forest and all. In the forest, they made a piece. Okay.
Sir.
Dismantled.
Yes, sir.
Although there is a GPRS is there, everything they installed,
Sir.
still they can able to come and track where the vehicle. Okay.
Yes, sir. They can only find that machine. Other than that, everything will be removed.
Yeah, that machine will be there. Other wheel and all, they can't keep this thing, no? For wheel,
Yes, sir.
every wheel, they can't keep a GPRS inside the wheel, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
many parts is there. He can come and see the GPRS, but vehicle,
Yes, sir.
so that part, whatever the technology you use, these
Yes, sir.
all are a risky job only. But today, end of the day, I think it is that business is gone, right?
Yes, sir.
Still,
Nowadays, not able to see many.
yeah, nowadays that concept is there or not?
Concept is there, sir, but not much.
Concept is there, that cycle and all is there, that
Sir.
Voyo, what is that? That is Voyo, right? Voyo.
Yulu, sir. Yulu.
Yulu, yeah.
Yes,
So that is there, that bike also is there, but these all are risky job actually. Okay.
yes, sir.
So, but still they are running because that is not their own money. Okay.
Sir.
That is share money. That is a public money, correct?
Sir.
So that they may tomorrow they said that the business is not running, there is no issue for them. That is what they are taking such risk and all.
Yes, sir.
But still they have to do their analyzation, business analyzation. Okay. They
Yes,
will
sir.
see the competitors, they will see the people who are all doing the similar kind of business, how they are doing, whether they are improving or am I improving.
Yes, sir.
So this is what business analyzation. So business analyzation, when we see in real time, see here, let me show. Yeah. Sorry. See, this is called business and intelligence. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Business intelligence. So basically, the company owner, he can't see the data in the numbers and all. Okay.
Sir.
He want to see in the chart wise only, like this. Okay.
Sir.
He will see the 7 days. Okay. The
Sir.
first day he has seen some low, and then in between it is raised and it is gone down, and finally on the one day it is raised up to this level. Okay.
Yes, sir.
He will see the analyzation.
Yes, sir.
What I made something good to increase like this. What I was not taking care, it is gone up to this low level.
Yes, sir.
This is called data analyzation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is called business analyzation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So they will track what is good I have done, what is bad I have done, what I was not taken care on that day. And basically on Saturday it will go, it will rise a business. Okay. That is also one impact is there.
Sir.
And they will not take that as a very big changes, and because Saturday anyway it will happen, right? but still they will do. So they want to raise the business on the middle days, the days and all, like Wednesday and all.
Sir.
They will give some special offer and all to increase the salary, increase the business. So on Saturday
Yes,
they
sir.
will not give any special offer. Anyway, the sale is going to happen, right? So
Sir.
this is what. So this is called business analyzation. So in this way, so this is what. So company, some of the companies, can you tell who are failed? Heman?
Sir.
See, today, you can say some old cars and all, ambassador car, right?
Sir.
Ambassador car.
Sir.
That is not there. Why?
There is no market for that vehicle here.
Not market. They are not upgraded to the latest trend.
Sir.
So they should see the market, what is the demand, what is the mind of the customer. Okay.
Sir.
So accordingly, they should make a changes in their business.
Yes, sir.
So that is called business intelligence.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So sometimes what happens, if a company is going on very well,
Sir.
they will be in a sleeping mode. Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Anyway, the business is going on. Why to worry? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suddenly, similar kind of a business, other person will come and he will give some special offers and he will give some better service than that company. This company will go down. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is also chances is there. So that this is called a concept called selling and marketing concept. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The selling means he will keep on do the sale. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Without doing marketing. So
yes, sir.
marketing also important. Selling also important. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So even if your business is doing good, still you should do your advertisements. You should make the people aware of your company.
Yes, sir.
Suddenly they may forget your company, your product, because some other product is coming and it is giving equal to that. It is
Yes, sir.
matching with that, and their service is better than this.
Yes, sir.
So that they should keep on do the business research.
Yes, sir.
They will have that R&D, research and
Yes, sir.
development, and they should keep on track the customer's mind.
Yes, sir.
Accordingly, they should keep on changes, do the changes in their business. That is
Yes.
what business intelligence. Okay. So in real time, in our scenario, this is a marketing theory I'm telling. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The same thing how we can able to apply here means there is what. So we take all the data and we will make a aggregation. Okay.
Sir.
We will put in a data warehouse. This is called, you're able to see this, right?
Yes, sir.
Aggregate data.
Yes, sir.
So you put the data in one place, that is called data warehouse. Okay.
Sir.
So that is coming in heterogeneous sources. It is coming in different sources, different countries, different branches. It is coming for a company, same company only, but it is coming in different ways and all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So they want to put everything here and they want to make a aggregation.
Yes, sir.
They want to make a total of everything.
Yes, sir.
What is my income from India? What is my income from US? Like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Like that, they will make a aggregation and they want to present in this manner. So
Yes,
like
sir.
how, so here only our ETL tool and all, it is before this, after ETL only we are getting this.
Yes, sir.
ETL means it is coming before this only. Data mart. Data mart means, so data mart means it will come in this, I will come to that actually. Data mart means it is topic wise it will come. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The topic wise means HR wise and marketing wise,
Sir.
and business different department will be there. Department wise it will come. Okay. So they have to track in all the ways actually, in all the aspects.
Yes,
So
sir.
they want to see the present data like this. They want, this is called some a business intelligence tool and all is there actually. Power BI, Tableau and all. In that it will give the, if you give the data in numbers,
sir.
it will give in this way, like in a chart and all.
Sir.
So that it is very easy to see, to
sir.
understand. Okay. so that I can able to track whether I am improving or I am not improving. Okay.
Yes, sir.
They will do the enrich the statics. They will put some statistics here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then finally they will do the decision. Yes, I want to increase the salary in this area.
Sir.
I want to invest more in this country.
Yes, sir.
So that the overall business will go nicely. That is what. So aggregating the data topic wise. Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, sir, to the
Yeah.
previous slide.
Yeah.
Inform a decision means taking a decision based
Yeah.
on the
Yeah. We are going to the business analyst, business data analyst. They are giving that decision.
yes, sir.
Sir, you are weak in this position. To the
Sir.
client, to the client, you will suggest. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you are in this area. You are becoming weak, sir. You want to improve, sir.
Sir.
Accordingly, you can take a decision, sir. Okay. So he will take that advice and he will accordingly he will act. Okay.
Sir.
So business owner he cannot understand everything in a number wise and all. He want everything in the chart wise. He want everything ready-made data. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is what these process and all this data warehouse, this ETL, whatever the data business. After this data warehouse, reporting is there. That report the reporting team will take and they will do the analysis with the data analyst will do that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is what that is why we are doing this. That is what the concept of even ETL also part of that.
Yes, sir.
Before the data reaching to the data warehouse, in between your ETL process is there. Okay.
Yes, sir. That is our job.
That is what we are we will only most probably will get because first the data will come and it will be the cleaning will be there.
Sir.
After the cleaning, it will come to us. Okay.
Sir.
Some of the particular data we may need to load to the data warehouse.
Sir.
That will be loaded to the data warehouse and it will be then this is what data warehouse. Okay. Database. Then it is given to the presentation.
Yes,
Then
sir.
finally they will take a decision. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in this, you are keeping your data safely for years together. Number
Yes.
one.
Yes, sir.
Number two, you are taking some data and do your analysis for your business improvement. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the advantage of your data warehouse. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in the that's what chart using Tableau and all we are using. There is another concept called OLAP and OLTP. Okay.
Sir.
OLAP means see here. This is called OLAP. This is called OLTP. Okay.
Sir.
OLAP means the day-to-day business activities will be happening in the OLTP. OLAP. Sorry, OLTP.
Sir.
The OLTP, the day-to-day business will be happening. That is online transaction processing. Okay.
Sir.
Online transaction processing means OLTP. So he will
Like, daily tracking, daily keeping.
daily the data will be keep on fluctuating. Okay.
Sir.
Some customers is coming and some customer is going, some selling is happening, some selling is stopped or something. A lot of changes will be there, no?
Yes, sir.
Somebody is taking replacement, somebody is taking back the money. You don't want that product, he is returning the product. So many things will be happening, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is a day-to-day business.
Yes,
that
sir.
is happening in the OLTP. Okay.
Sir.
Previously, what they were doing, this is also one of the data warehouse only. Okay. But this is a in this only previously they will take the data and do the analysis here itself. Okay.
Sir.
So that will make an impact in the same data warehouse, same place itself. Okay. Online transaction, for example. So that they want to do the analysis in a other data warehouse
Sir.
peacefully without disturbing your day-to-day activity.
Yes, sir.
Right? So
yes, sir.
then that is why they created another concept called data warehouse.
Yes, sir.
That is called OLAP. OLAP means online analytical processing. Okay.
Sir.
This is called online analytical processing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in online analytic processing, they will take the data. See here only some few data will be there. Not all the data will be there. Maybe the staging or something. So the most of the data will be moved to here. Okay.
Sir.
Some few data will be here actually. Okay. Day to day.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So majorly they will send to here only. All the size of the data warehouse is very bigger than compared to this one OLTP.
Yes,
okay. So in between our process will be there. That is called ETL.
yes, sir.
That is between OLTP to OLAP.
Yes, sir.
That is called ETL. Extract, transform, load. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, so when you see this data warehouse,
Yes, sir.
we have two concepts. That is, nowadays we are having cloud computing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Cloud, everything is we will be sending to the cloud actually. Okay.
Yeah.
So cloud means the company will not have its own server to maintain the data. Okay.
Sir.
They will take a password and username. They will connect it directly to the cloud.
Yes, sir.
So all the data will be uploaded to the cloud. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is what this one, AWS, Azure, GCP, Snowflake and all. Okay.
Sir.
These all are not like that. These all are not cloud. These all are, it will have the physical server with us itself. Okay. Oracle it is belongs to Oracle Corporation.
Okay, sir. So they own their own servers, warehouse. These
Yeah,
AWS depend on cloud. They are tie up with cloud like that.
correct. So even in Oracle also, you can also give your data and they will also maintain your data. Okay.
Sir.
So you are running a business, you want to maintain your data, you can give your data to them, you can connect it to them. So
Yes,
that
sir.
is possible, but these are not cloud. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is SQL Server is there. SQL Server is basically it is for Microsoft
Yes,
company. Sir. Okay. And Netezza it is belongs to IBM. Okay. This is Teradata. This is AWS. These are all cloud.
Sir.
Cloud means this is Amazon Web Service. Amazon. This is.
Yes, sir. GCP.
GCP means cloud computing. The Google.
Yes, sir.
Google company is this one.
Yes, sir.
Google Cloud Platform. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is what. And Azure. Azure is belongs to again. It is Microsoft only.
Yes, sir.
And Snowflake. Snowflake is a separate company. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these all are cloud actually. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
these all are very popular in market. These all are actually. So many databases there in market, but still these all are more used actually. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So from there we are taking different data modes. Okay.
Yes,
data mode means from there they will take merchant report and for this data mart also we have many other tools in market, right? Most popular and all this is Power BI. Most companies using Power BI.
Sir.
And Tableau. Okay.
Sir.
And ClickView is there, Looker is there, QuickSight is there, Zoom Data is there, Mike Strategy is there, Cognos is there,
Sir.
BO is
our
there.
part of job includes this also, sir. This merchant report or
Our part of the work is not this one and all.
Yes, sir.
But you must know.
Loading.
Yeah, you should know the knowledge on this.
Yes, sir.
So related questions may come in interview.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So this is called data warehouse architecture. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is your data warehouse architecture?
Sir.
That time you can say we have this is your data warehouse. So our target, this is your target, this is source, right?
Yes, sir.
So our target, we are using Oracle only.
Yes, sir.
Our source, we are using Teradata.
Sir.
So like that, you want to tell that.
Okay, sir.
So that is what real time.
sir.
So this is you can say Oracle. This belongs to Oracle, and this is Oracle Corporation. Or you can say AWS is AWS. We are using cloud computing. This thing. What is that? For target. Okay. We are giving everything to the cloud.
Yes, sir.
AWS we are using Azure, we are using GCP, we are using Snowflake. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can set your questions and answers properly, and you can tell the same to the interviewer. Okay.
Sir,
Or
this OLTP, heterogeneous source means we
yeah,
are taking input from any source like Oracle, Terabyte. We are taking information from that server.
correct, correct.
It
So
also can be now if you take data from same server and we are loading to this data warehouse Teradata like that same server
see,
by altering
actually,
it.
yeah. Actually, we are taking in different formats. Like that is what. That is
Sir.
also one of the database. From there, it is connected to here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
From there, from the client, we are getting, which is getting connected to us. Is what.
Sir. Sir.
So basically, actually, this is what that this one, whatever that data warehouse, Oracle,
Sir.
that is in other things also, because different branches will be there, different same client only, but he is having different inputs.
Sir.
You may get a flat file, you may get a table, so many things will be there. Oracle will be there, and Salesforce will be there. Okay.
Sir.
So Salesforce is also one of the database. Okay. So different.
Yes.
This is called heterogeneous sources.
Okay, sir.
So many sources will come. Okay. See, so many things will be there. So these all are we are taking. This is for example, you can. This is SAP, and this is a different. It's a flat file like that and all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in our ETL tools in market,
Yes, sir.
this Informatica Power Center is the top one.
Sir.
ETL is lot of ETL is there in market. Similarly, like we are having so many database now here.
Sir.
Like this ETL tool also, so many tool is there.
Sir.
But still in the market, Informatica is the top one.
Yes, sir.
And we have IICS.
Yes,
in
sir.
the Informatica itself, this is IICS is also Informatica cloud actually.
Sir.
This ETL tool itself is cloud.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So after learning this Power Center, we can learn IICS also. But without learning Informatica, you can't learn IICS.
Yes, sir.
Because same transformations only is there in IICS also. Okay.
Okay.
So the same concept only this is cloud, that's all.
Yes, sir.
Few changes will be there. You can learn that within some 1 week also, IICS.
Okay, sir.
But Informatica Power Center is the base. If you learn this, you will have a lot of demand.
Yes, sir.
And similarly, you have MS SSIS. This is also one of the ETL tool.
Sir.
Microsoft. This is Microsoft SSIS ETL tool. And
Yes, sir.
ODI is there. In SAP company, bots is there. Okay.
Sir.
And Ab initio is there. Talent is there. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
these all are some competing ETL tool in the market. Okay. And we have basically batch processing will be there. Okay.
Sir.
Batch processing means they will send batch by batch the data.
Sir.
Comes 2 hours once, 4 hours once,
Okay,
and
sir.
daily once, or 2 days once, or weekly will be there. Some data we will be receiving in monthly wise.
Yes, sir.
Some data we will be receiving the quarterly wise, like that.
Yes.
So different batch processing, that is called batch processing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is what batch processing, and then we will have some live processing also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
These all are batch processing. Live processing means just like our Facebook, our YouTube, and all live processing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just like directly you are sending, right? That is what they will do is they will upload directly. That is called this is the ETL process. That is called ELT process.
ELT. Yes, sir.
ELT means what is the extract, load, transform.
Sir.
They will load first of all, then they will do the changes whatever they want to do. Okay. But we are not involving in the live process.
Sir.
We are involving in the batch processing only. Okay.
Sir.
So our concept is not live processing. Our concept is batch processing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we will load the data, extract, transform, load. This we are doing actually.
Yes, sir.
So you go. So these all are the basic things of. And there is a concept called the data warehouse and data lake. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is a frequently asked question in the interviews and all. What is data warehouse? What is data lake? Okay.
Sir.
Data warehouse means some structured data, that is called data warehouse.
Sir.
Unstructured data, it will be something like without any structure, it will be there. Okay.
Sir.
Simply they will take and they will put this, that is a data lake. Okay.
Sir.
So that is the difference between structured data is called data warehouse and unstructured data is called data lake. Okay. These
Sir,
all
what
are
can we take for the in that scenario, sir? What example can we think of? Like
data
structured and unstructured.
structured means I want to have this data like this only. I want just keeping some order wise it will have. Structured
Sir.
means okay. So you're taking some data, you're bringing something to your home. Okay.
Sir.
Some few things you will keep in order wise, and some few things you will keep inside somewhere whenever you want to take like that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
That is unstructured, right?
Sir.
So that is like a data lake. Data lake means simply it is not having any order and it will not have any proper this thing. You want to do the analysis, you want to correct the data once again before
Yes, sir.
using.
Okay, sir.
So that is what data lake. That is not that is not structured.
Yes, sir.
Structured means it will be readily available. Yes, it is very properly arranged and properly arranged. That is not arranged properly. That way we can take, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is what the difference between data warehouse and data lake.
Okay, sir.
And we can go for yes. So what is business intelligence? This is what business intelligence. This is the definition. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Business intelligence enables the business to make intelligent, fact-based decisions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
They will take some facts and they will do the decision. That's what.
Yes, sir.
And then we have data warehouse architecture. This is what data warehouse architecture and ERP, other data sources and social media content, Facebook, and so many things is coming, right?
Yes, sir.
Everything they will take it. Okay, you are giving some comment in the Facebook about the company, that is also taken as a data. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, this ERP is something related to accounts management, like.
Exactly. ERP means that will be in the company, in the branch, they will use the ERP, no?
Yes, sir.
So that is also that only we are the main source of data will be coming, right?
Yes, sir.
So ERP, right?
Sir.
So in the
Sir.
branch they will have a software, ERP software.
Yes, sir.
That software they will add all the customer data or whatever the sold things and all will be there in the ERP.
Yes, sir.
And other sources also is there. Not only that, from the social media there is a ERP.
Yes, sir.
Unstructured content, so many batches and all, so many ways will be there to get the data. Everything will
Yes,
be taken and the real time and the batch. This one. So data profiling, data transformation. They will do the data quality here. Data quality team. Data quality means they will do the data cleansing. They will do mainly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because you're taking some water and you're not directly using, right?
Yes, sir.
Just like you're getting a Kaveri water,
Yes, sir.
it is having so many process to get the water here,
Yes, sir.
right? Similarly, it will have its data cleansing.
Sir.
They will do the data validation.
Yes, sir.
They will see the data auditing.
Yes, sir.
They will create tables and all here.
Yes, sir.
So they will create different tables. They will see what kind of they will design the table in different way.
Yes, sir.
So they will do the data profiling. Then it is through the process of ETL, it
Yes,
will be
sir.
moved to the data warehouse. This is your data warehouse. This is
Yes,
data quality team. This is data warehouse itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is what it's
Our
showing.
part of job will be in between these two people.
Yeah, in between these only ETL will be there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So staging, this is called staging. Staging
Yes.
means operation data store.
Yes, sir.
Operation staging means some 10 days data will be stored here. Okay.
Sir.
10 days data will be there. Remaining data will be sent to the data warehouse.
Yes, sir.
Through here only our ETL will be there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So some batch process, everything will be here only. Staging.
Sir.
This is called
Sir.
staging.
Sir.
While doing here, actually, it will be truncated and loaded. That is called
Yes.
staging.
Yes, sir.
We will do the truncate, no?
Sir.
So the previous data will be deleted automatically. Only the
Sir.
current data will be there.
Yes,
Remaining data will be sent to the data warehouse.
sir.
10 days data will be there in the staging. Okay.
Sir.
So that is what real time. Then everything sent to the data warehouse. And from the data warehouse, data marts is there. Okay.
Yes.
So they will give the report in different formats.
Yes, sir.
Some formats,
Yeah.
it will, yeah.
In the quality team,
Yeah.
they are doing data profiling, data transformation, data cleansing, data validation,
Yeah.
and sending for ETL team, and after that it will be gone to warehouse.
See, ETL actually two staging will be there for ETL also. Okay.
Yes.
So after doing the staging also, one of the ETL will be there here also.
Yes, sir.
So different structures, different requirement will be there. Accordingly, they will have the.
No, sir. I came to ask what after all the quality team has already done profiling, transformation, cleansing. What will be our job after that, sir? I must.
So we will. That is what they will do the data quality here. Okay, they will
Yes, sir.
create some table.
Sir.
So then only you can do the ETL.
Analyze. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
In
sir.
fact, in this case, even data transformation, that is also our job is there in itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So actually, a lot of different type of structure is there in data warehouse. Actually, there is some in other slides you will come to understand that, right?
Okay, sir.
So data marts is there. Data marts means subject wise it will come, and they will give the output in different formats.
Yes, sir.
Some formats it will send to the browsers. It will be sent to the mobile. Okay.
Yes, sir.
BI applications. It will send to the demand services. Whatever the way you are asking, I want to see my data in my mobile. That format I want to give, right?
Yes, sir.
So different formats you can see, different outputs will be there. That is a reporting team, presentation layer, like this and all.
Sir.
So some of the things presentation they want in the mobile format, some of the things in the normal format, some of the things they want in the browser. So different. This is called data warehouse layer, data integration layer. This is what okay.
Yes.
Source layer. So this is called YouTube channel analytics.
Yes, sir.
So this is what it will do the analytics like this only. Okay, it will see. There also similar kind of tool only will be there, like Power BI.
Yes, sir.
It will do the different chart, pie chart, and different charts and all is there, right?
Yes, sir.
So it will show in different. You can in your YouTube channel also you can go and see. It will show the analytics.
Yes, sir.
So how your channel is growing as of now? What is the latest activity? How many views is gone? How many subscribers added now?
Yes.
So these all are also reporting only, the same concept only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, so data warehouse sources that is coming in CRM, inventory, payroll, sales, same concept showing in different way and all. That's all.
Yes, sir.
It's coming from the inventory, payroll, sales, general ledger, production, everything they will take to data warehouse. Okay. From there, they will take for reporting, customer profitability, supplier performance, productivity, strategic performance,
Yes, sir.
closed loop marketing, product profitability, like this. Okay.
Yes.
So these are the output. Yeah.
Our job will be something which is related to the CRM, inventory, payroll, sales, general ledger, production.
So our concept here it is not mentioned. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in this between only it is there. Okay.
Sir.
So our concept is ETL. That is in between only, but it is having a important job. That is why we are asking Informatica, ETL, and all we are telling. Even some of the scopes is there, good scope for even reporting also, like
Yes,
Power
sir.
BI, talent, and all.
Yes, sir.
But for that also, you must have the knowledge of SQL.
Sir.
That is what we are learning here. Okay. So if you have the knowledge of SQL, that will be supporting different positions and all. Okay. So that is what we learned in the morning, right? SQL.
Sir.
This reporting person also will use the SQL only.
Sir.
He will take some particular data, he will filter some particular data, he will do the analysis, right? And he will present in in the different charts and all, right?
Yes, sir.
That is what.
Okay.
Right. Then definition by these all are the fathers of data warehouse. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is telling a data warehouse is a subject oriented, integrated, time variant, and non-volatile collection of data to support management's decision making process. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Subject oriented means a data warehouse is organized around a major subjects such as customer, supplier, products, and sales. Okay. This is what subject oriented.
Yes.
The output data warehouse, data mart, integrated. A data warehouse is usually constructed by integrating multiple heterogeneous sources. These are heterogeneous sources they will take. That is called integrated.
Yes, sir.
Time variant data are stored to provide information from a historical perspective.
Yes, sir.
They will see historically last 50 years from the last 50 years what all are the changes is happening in our business. Okay. So non-volatile, meaning that data in the database is never overwritten or deleted, but retained for further reporting. They will not do any non-volatile. It should not happen.
Yes.
That is what. Okay. So today's data warehouse defined. Data warehousing is the integrated, architected, and periodic copying data from various heterogeneous sources.
Yes, sir.
You understand, both inside and outside, the enterprise into a centralized repository optimized for reporting and analytical processing. That is what.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is a centralizing process. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All the data will be stored in one place. That is called data warehouse.
Yes, sir.
That is a centralized place. From there, they will take and they will do all the analyzations and all. Why companies deploy data warehouse? Operational systems are being impacted because of reporting requests. Okay.
Yes, sir.
They want to take the report. For that, they must have the data. That is why they are accumulating and keeping in the data warehouse. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Operation systems cannot give a needed historical perspective. Operation systems means the operation team, they cannot give all the data, no?
Yes, sir.
So they have their day-to-day activity, right? So
Yes, sir.
they want to keep it in everything in a data warehouse. That is why they are deploying data warehouse.
Yes, sir.
The business is not getting consistent or timely answers. Suddenly they want some answers.
Yes, sir.
They want to see, suddenly they are getting some question in the mind. They want to get the answer immediately.
Yes, sir.
No single view of the business. Okay. They will see in different view perspective and all.
Yes, sir.
So too expensive or too difficult to tie source systems together for one-off reporting.
Yes, sir.
So in the source systems, it's very difficult to. They want to invest more to. It is expensive also to take the report to maintain the data from the source systems. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is why they want to take all the data and keep it in one place. They will do they will do peacefully. They will do these things. Otherwise, a lot of trouble and lot of changes, and they will be very busy in the source system. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So no one knows the rules from legacy reporting systems. This is what. Because the competition has won. Investment in a BI tool won't work without consolidated realization of data. So
Yes,
they are using a BI tool.
Sir.
They can't use this tool in the source system. They must have
BI
a
tool, sir, means
BI
tool means, sir.
business intelligence tool.
Okay, sir.
business intelligence tool. That is what the reporting tool.
Yes, sir.
That tool only will convert the numbers into your charts.
Yes, sir.
That is what Power BI, for example.
Okay, sir.
Power BI, one of the leading tool.
Yes, sir.
Most of the companies using.
Yes, sir.
And Tableau, that is one of the BI tool.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is also very leading. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then these all are then we have Inmon model and Kimball model, Ralph Kimball model. Okay.
Yes, sir.
These all are the people who are all called fathers of the data warehouse. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So data marts are created only after the complete data warehouse has been created.
Yes, sir.
His concept is
Sir.
the data mart will be there after the data warehouse only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what he is telling, we can keep the data mart in between before the data warehouse itself, like that. How it is, you can see in the next chart.
Yes.
See, this is called top-down data warehouse approach. This will be an interview question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The Bill Inmon saying that this is called a top-down data warehouse. How it is? You will get the source systems.
Sir.
Lot of sources will be there. Heterogeneous sources will be there. Everything will be loaded to the data warehouse first. Okay.
Sir.
Okay. We will do the ETL and everything here. Okay. And everything they will take subject wise DM1, DM2, data mart 1, data mart 2 here. Okay.
Sir.
Here they will use a ETL.
Sir.
This is called top-down approach.
Yes, sir.
In the top-down approach, the data warehouse is designed first, and then data mart are built on top of the data warehouse. Okay.
Sir, data mart means any one of the server like cloud or some SQL server like that.
No. Data mart means
Sir.
the same data will be taken for different subject.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Accounts and marketing and business analyzation.
Sir.
Because HR person wants to see something.
Sir.
You need a separate data mart.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You want to see the data of a employee.
Sir.
You will see in the data mart 1 or 2 like that.
Yes, sir.
So subjective, it is data mart means subjective. Topic wise it will come.
Okay, sir.
That is what data mart. Okay. So
yes,
for different topic, different subject, they will use different they will create it. So these are all small data warehouse. That's all.
Yes, sir.
This is a very big data warehouse. Small data. They will keep some data here.
Sir.
For their analysis. They will and also to take the report it is there actually.
Yes, sir.
The Power BI or Tableau person, that reporting person will take the different reporting from different data mart here. Okay. That is what. So this is a second approach. It is a bottom up approach. Okay, Ralph Kimball, bottom up data warehouse design approach.
Yes, sir.
As per this method, data marts are first created to provide the reporting and analytics capability for specific business process. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Later with this data marts, enterprise data warehouse is created.
Okay, sir.
Between the source systems and data warehouse, data mart is there.
Yes, sir.
In that case, in between the source system and data mart, data warehouse is there. Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the difference.
Yes, sir.
So Imon or Kimball, which approach is suitable for your data warehouse? We have to see for our business, both all are okay. Which is better we can decide. On what basis? You can see all these aspects.
Yes, sir.
Inmon and Campbell, data warehouse, this is time consuming. Okay.
Yes.
Which one? This top to down, time consuming, and takes lesser time. This one. It's very easy. Okay.
Yes.
but not easy, but it takes time, less time. But
Yes.
maintenance, this is easy, but
sir.
this is difficult, often redundant and subject to revisions. Okay,
Okay, sir.
because they are doing a data mart before the data warehouse itself.
Yes, sir.
In this, after the data warehouse, data mart is coming in this way. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so in that case, it is easy.
Yes, sir.
So cost wise, if you see, high initial cost, subsequent project development cost will be much lower.
Yes, sir.
Low initial cost, each subsequent phase will cost almost the same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And time, longer startup time, shorter time or initial setup.
Yes.
Okay. So startup time, it will take time.
Yes,
So
sir.
skill requirement, a specialist team, generalist team, special person only can do this. General people also can do this.
Yes, sir.
Data integration requirements enterprise wide individual business areas. Okay.
Yes,
So both are having some pros and cons. Okay. Some
Yes.
advantage, disadvantage is there. You can see and you can decide what is needed for your business. Okay.
Yes.
That is what. This is a hybrid approach. Hybrid approach aims to harness the speed of the bottom approach and user orientation of the top-down approach.
Yes, sir.
So a lot of sources is there. In this, they are having the data mart in both sides. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is called a hybrid approach. Between the source and data warehouse, there is some data marts.
Sir.
And after the data warehouse also, there are some data marts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So business structure, different business structure, they want different requirement.
Yes, sir.
Accordingly, they are deciding. I want this, like this also means you can take it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can't say that top-down approach and bottom up. That is, even take, you can also take hybrid approach also. Okay. So that is what. And there is an important concept called dimension and fact table. Definitely 100% they will ask this question in interview. Okay.
Sir.
What is dimension table? What is fact table? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Dimension table means it will have non-measurable time, non-measurable items, and the non-measurable. You can't measure few things, no?
Sir.
Like some of the data, like what to say? For example, product table, in that table. So some of the columns, it will not be measurable. The name and the product, and all. So few things will be measurable. That is called fact table.
Yes,
Measurable and foreign keys. So this is having the primary keys, and this is having the foreign keys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday we seen no
Yes,
primary key and that
Foreign
relationship between the two tables.
Yes, sir.
This is a fact table. This is a dimension table.
Sir.
So in this primary key, they will have particular this thing. There is what anything you can measure, no?
Sir.
So numbers will be there, calculate will be there. That is called fact table.
Yes, sir.
So this is measurable. This is not measurable. That's what.
Yes.
Okay. There is a other thing called a star schema and a snowflake schema. This also most of the interview they will ask. Okay. See, this is the factor. Okay. Fact table means it will have its country ID, city ID, employee ID, product ID, unit and all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
These are all the basic numbers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Around this different concept will be there. City ID, city description.
Yes, sir.
Employee ID, employee first name. And
Sir.
country ID, country description, products, dimension. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it is like a star, no?
Yes, sir.
They ask what is star schema.
Sir.
Different dimension tables will be connected around
Sir.
around to a fact table, or a fact table which is connected to many dimension tables. That is called a dimension table. Different dimension. Why it is called dimension? All a different dimension is there. This is a city dimension. This is a country dimension. This is a product dimension. This is an employees dimension.
Yes, sir.
All this is connected to a fact table. That
Yes,
is
sir.
called a star schema. This is what your answer for what is star schema. Okay.
Yes.
Snowflake schema is there. In that, what happens? It will not have a stars, this kind of shape, like fact table. Okay. It will have like products, product ID, product description. This is a product one, this is a time one, and this is customers. They
Yes.
will be connected to a sales items, and it will go to. It is not in a star shape, no.
Yes, sir.
It is going and it's coming sales items. It will be connected and locations, territory. So different. These are all different dimensions.
Yes, sir.
So this is what the difference between the star and the snowflake.
Yes, sir.
Data warehouse and data lake. You asked a question, no?
Sir.
What is the difference between data warehouse? This is the most asking question in interview.
Sir.
You can understand all this in the mind so that you
Yes.
can tell in your own words. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't want to tell the same thing and all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Data warehouse, data lake. Structured. This is processed.
Sir.
Structured or semi-structured or unstructured, raw.
Yes, sir.
Simply it is there. It is not. It may be also not structured or some of the things is structured, semi-structured.
Sir.
This is called data lake. Schema on write and schema on read. Okay.
Yes.
That schema is in write this thing. This is in the read. That's what. So this one is expensive for large data volumes.
Sir.
Designed for low cost storage. Okay.
Sir.
So they will some people maybe needed only data lake is enough. Some people
Sir.
want data warehouse. Okay.
Yes.
But this is expensive. This is low cost.
Yes, sir.
Because everything is structured. No, it is having is what.
Yes,
So
sir.
less agile fixed configuration, highly agile configure and reconfigure as needed. Okay. This is a mature or maturing. Still,
Yes,
this
sir.
is in process. This is already done. Okay. So business professionals, data scientists. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Business professionals, they will see here. They are non-technical.
Sir.
They want everything readily.
Yes, sir.
This data lake, data scientist also will take a number and he will do the analysis. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There's a difference.
Sir, this previous chat, sir.
Yeah.
Schema on write. No, sir. That only difference between the data warehouse and data lake.
Yeah.
Schema on write. Schema on read means what is that, sir? Processing.
Yeah. Schema on write means it is read means you can also do some changes here. Some views
Okay,
and
sir.
all will be there. They will allow for write also. Okay.
Sir.
Data lake, they will use some when you seen that what is that SQL developer, no?
Sir.
In this, it is having views and all, materialized views and views and all, no?
Yes, sir.
That they will allow only for read. Okay. They will not, you cannot do any other changes. Only you want to see, that's all.
Yes, sir.
They will not allow for write and all.
Okay, sir.
For security purpose.
Yes, sir.
So that is called read. Read means only you can read, you can't write. Okay. That is what.
Yes, sir.
So data warehousing rules, roles, business users.
Yes, sir.
Business users, people with knowledge of the business and needs for reporting. They are the business people in the top. Okay, they will use they are the business users. Then it is using for reporting writers also. That is what I spoken, Power BI and Tableau and all.
Yes, sir.
So reporting developers, that is their Power BI developers, Tableau developers, to take the report from the data mod.
Yes,
so
sir.
these are the people they are using this. And data modelers, people who create data models from business requirements. They will create a business model, it's a data model also by that is called data modelers. And ETL developers who write or develop ETL process. Okay, that is what this is what our role. Okay, who write or develop ETL process. That is also for him also data warehouse is needed. Then only he can do the ETL, right?
Yes, sir.
So DBA, people who manage and support databases, database administrations.
Yes, sir.
So everyone is needed this one.
Yes, sir.
So popular ETL tools. So Informatica Power Center is the top, okay?
Yes.
And IBM WebSphere data stage is there. Microsoft SQL Server integrated SSIS. Microsoft is having SSIS.
Yes, sir.
In the SAP company, they are having bots, ETL tool. IBM Cognos Data Manager, Oracle data integration, and even Oracle also having ETL tool.
Yes, sir.
Oracle is a database, right? In our case, we are using. Even
Yes, sir.
Oracle is also, they are also having a ETL tool. That is what data integrator. Okay. And SAS, Data Integration Studio. This is a company name and there is a tool name. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oracle Warehouse Builder. This is
Yes.
Oracle, one more. And Abnitio.
Yes, sir.
Talent company having Open Studio, Apache, NiFi, and Pentaho, data integration. Splendidly, these all are the different ETL tools in the market. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And popular data visualization tools. Just now we spoke on no data visualization tool means the reporting tool.
Yes, sir.
It is showing in different pie chart and different charts and all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So for that, Tableau is in top. Okay.
Yes.
Tableau, it is giving Microsoft Power BI. Just now we spoke on Power BI, right?
Yes, sir.
That is called the Microsoft company only.
Yes,
okay. And ClickView, ClickSense, IBM Cognos, SAP View, and Google Looker. Google also having a data visualization tool. Google Looker.
Yes, sir.
And SSRS, OBIA, TIPCO, Spot, MicroStrategy Analytics. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these all are the basic concepts of business intelligence. Any doubt with this?
No, sir.
Everything clear?
Yes, sir.
So you learned something from this, right?
Yes, sir.
So these all are the basic understanding. If you keep on doing your ETL,
Yes, sir.
why we are doing, what is the surrounding,
Purpose.
what is the
Yes.
overall there in between the ETL tool. That is what the understanding why we are doing this and all.
Yes,
That
sir.
is what business intelligence.
Yes, sir.
Hope it is clear. So
Yes, sir. Understood.
we'll close the session as of now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So next we will have the class on one more SQL session.
Yes, sir.
Then we will go for as of now we completed the business intelligence.
Okay, sir.
Just keep on, we are doing the SQL. That is why just in between I am doing this. And after
Yes.
that we will go for Informatica tools.
Okay.
So
sir.
Informatica, we will have different transformations.
Yes, sir.
After the next session of SQL, we will go for ETL, that is Informatica. Okay. Right?
Yes, sir.
Even this business intelligence also, it is related to Informatica only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So do you have time today? We will ask Naresh also if he is available. We will complete the SQL today. It's getting delayed. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
stop. Yeah, we'll stop here. Thank you. Bye.